Have you ever wondered how radar can detect aircraft and missiles from miles away? Let's break it down in simple steps. First, a radar system sends out short bursts of radio waves into the sky. These waves travel at the speed of light, spreading outward like invisible ripples. Next, when those waves hit an object, like an airplane or a missile, they bounce back toward the radar system. This bouncing back is called reflection. Then comes the cool part. The radar antenna receives the reflected waves, also known as echoes. Yes, just like an echo you hear in the mountains, but with radio waves instead of sound. Now the system starts calculating. It measures the distance by checking how long the echo took to return. It finds the direction based on the angle of the antenna, and it calculates speed using something called the Doppler effect, a tiny change in frequency that tells whether the object is moving toward or away from the radar. It's actually very similar to how bats use echolocation to see in the dark, but radar uses radio waves instead of sound. And that's how radar tracks objects in the sky.